Garlic in milk cures asthma, pneumonia, tuberculosis, cardiac problems, insomnia, arthritis, cough, and many other diseases. The mixture of garlic and milk might initially sound strange, but after you hear all its health benefits, it will definitely become one of your favorite drinks. The garlic milk is an incredibly beneficial, natural, and warm beverage, with potent properties. This is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 10 garlic cloves, minced, 500 ml milk, 2 to 3 teaspoons sugar, 250 ml water. Method of preparation: you should pour the milk and water in a pot, and add the minced garlic. Then, place it over medium heat and heat until it boils. Stir occasionally, strain, and in the end, add the sugar. Note that you should drink the garlic milk until it is warm. Health benefits of this drink: treats cough. You should enrich this drink by adding some turmeric. The garlic will destroy bacteria, and the remedy will soothe a chronic cough. Regulates cholesterol levels. The daily consumption of this drink for a week will reduce the bad, or LDL, cholesterol, and will increase the good, HDL, 1. Treats arthritis. The regular consumption of the garlic milk will soothe arthritis pains and alleviate the inflammation. Treats asthma. You should eat 3 garlic cloves before going to sleep to relieve asthma issues. Cardiac issues. The garlic milk will reduce bad LDL cholesterol and prevent the formation of clots. For even best effects, you should use low-fat or skimmed milk. Fights pneumonia. Consume the garlic milk 3 times daily to treat pneumonia. Fights insomnia. This milk will relax you and help you fall asleep easily. Helps digestion. Garlic is an effective antiseptic and it strengthens the immune system and helps digestion. Moreover, it cleans the lymph system and detoxifies the body. It boosts the production of digestion juices and fights diarrhea. Treats lung tuberculosis. The sulfur in garlic effectively treats this disease. You should mix 1 gram garlic, 240 ml milk and 1 liter of water, and boil the mixture until you are left with 1/4 of the initial amount. Drink this remedy 3 times daily. Fight jaundice. Garlic effectively removes toxins and is of great help in the case of jaundice. The sulfur in garlic is excellent for the liver and treats fatty liver disease. Garlic also contains allicin and selenium, and thus stimulates the production of bile. Drink this mixture for a week to treat jaundice. Soothe sciatica. This milk effectively treats the nerve pain also known as sciatica. Its regular consumption will provide amazing effects. Treat impotence. The garlic milk can be of great help in the case of impotence. Moreover, you should consume several boiled garlic chunks in the treatment of both female and male fertility issues.